I'm back, and today I have the RCGeek universal landing pad with LED light for mini drones. And I just picked this up for running around the house with the micros and the FPV and stuff in the house. But you can customize it with stickers on the back. It says it shows what looks to be a DJI Phantom, but I don't know if a Phantom would fit on this. Then you got a Mavic here, it looks like. But you know, let's open this up and see what we got here. Okay. It comes in a nice little carry bag. Not super thick, but it's a nice nylon. Okay, let's open this up. And it looks like it's packed in here pretty well. Here's 2 feet. It should be 4 feet. Let's see what we can find in here. All right, that looks like the bottoms or the sides. Yep, there's the other 2 feet. Okay, so we got 2 pieces here for the sides, and it got levels in them, so you can level out your landing pad. Especially good for like when you're taking off from it, calibration. And there's 2 more with levels. And then we got this part. This is the centerpiece. Okay. And there's all your LED lights in the middle, and it looks like LED lights on each corner over here. And that's where your legs would go, but underneath on the bottom. And then you got a battery pack. And it is 3 AAAs, which are already in there. And by the way, I already had this out, and it was wrapped up. These batteries were wrapped in plastic, so you had to take the plastic off. So 3 AA's is what this takes. And it also has, as soon as I can get this back on here, of course nothing wants to cooperate when you're making a video. Alright, you got your on-off switch right here. You have a 3 position switch here for the different patterns on the LEDs, and you have a USB power, so you can charge, not charge, but you can run this off like a little power bank with a USB, micro USB cable. So let's turn this thing on. Which one is it? Okay, switch that one on, and yeah, you got lights in each corner, and we have the 3 position switch. You got there and there. So there's your different lights positions. The center one's always on, and the lights change color. It's RGB. And then go to the middle, and then down the middle. Now there's just 3 positions. You can have either that, that, or that. But what I would think would really be cool is if it went like this, back and forth. And there's no option to do that. But it's just another little project idea. I can modify this and see if I can make it do that. So there's that, and of course the on-off switch. Well, that's your selection switch there, and that's your on-off switch. So let's turn it off, and let's get the legs on here and stuff and see what we got. Oh, by the way, there's also a little instruction book. And yes, the USB is to not charge it, but to power it off like a little power bank. So any 5-volt input will do it from that. Alright, so let's see what else we got here. We got stickers. And you got this sticker sheet. We got the stickers here. These yellow stickers go around the edges of these. Yellow and black stickers. And you got all kinds of little stickers down here. A little bit of overkill on the stickers, I think. I wouldn't be putting them all on there. Plain and simple, I think. And then here's your center sticker, and it's actually got little punch outs for where the LEDs are, so you don't end up covering up your LEDs. Now, I don't know if I want to put these stickers on, but I'm kind of thinking about it right now. But yeah, this is pretty nice here. Let's put it together, get this bag out of the way. Set the sticker set aside. Put this together, get the legs on it. Okay. Okay, so we got that, and we're going to stick these on. I'm going to do it this way so I can actually push them down without doing any damage here. And we got to go this way. Since I got it upside down, it would go on from the top, going this way, and get it started on here, I guess. And you kind of pinch it down, get it on the table, and push it down nice and snug, nice and flat. Yeah, it's looking okay. Let's get a measurement off of this before I get those all the way on there. This center is 8 1/4 inches, just about. Yep, almost 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. Let's get the rest of these on. Okay, so there, we've got the little feet. Actually raise it up off the table a little bit. So it's about 1.5 inches up. Let's see what the total width is here. Total diameter is just shy of 15 inches, like 14 7/8. So that's a pretty decent little size. I mean, grab a little micro quad. I'll grab something here. Little Fury Bee. That sits right on there. That's a nice big landing pad for a Fury Bee. You probably wouldn't even have to use the sides on this. All the lights are in the middle, so you don't have to worry about lights on the sides. Now, these levels do work. It's just this table is not perfectly level. It's kind of leaning forward a little bit, so I'd have to raise it up just a little. But leveling it is good because when you calibrate your quads, you definitely want to have a flat surface to calibrate your quads. So that's a Fury Bee right there. Well, not exactly a Fury Bee. I got two-bladed props on it. But it does light up really nice. Let's turn this back on here. As soon as I can find the switch. There's the on switch. Okay, and then the other switch is over here. Yep, there's the underside of it. Looks pretty nice. I mean, the edges sit pretty flush once you get them pushed down on there right. But I wouldn't try to just jam them on there because you could end up breaking the clips off the side here. As for pulling them off, let me turn this off. Okay, pulling them off, I would just kind of pinch it and gradually work them up. Let's see how that works there. Yep, a little rough getting them on and off of there, but just got to be careful you don't snap them up or, you know, snap them down or up either way, because you end up breaking this, or you could end up breaking these clips right off right there. You don't want to end up doing that. Okay, so I decided I'm going to put some of the stickers on here. I already got these two. And I'm going to just continue on putting the stickers on. I'm leaving these edges up on the platform here, so that way I have room to work, you know, a little room for my fingers and everything. But I did notice that some of these are not cut all the way through, so you have to get an X-Acto knife and just you know, carefully cut them out. It makes it a little easier to work them on there. So that's what we're going to be doing, is putting some stickers. Okay, so I put some of the stickers back on here, and it looks pretty good. It was kind of a pain to get this lined up, but I got it. And the bottom sticker, I thought it was separate stickers for the power and everything, but it's all one big sticker. So got to get that lined up around the switches. And I'm not going to put all these other little stickers on here. I just think that's a little overkill there. Might use them for something else. I don't know. I might put the direction, like the compass points, cardinal points on there. But that's about all that I'm going to put on here. Just keep it basic. Okay, so one thing I wanted to also see is if this thing will all fit in here with the legs on it, instead of having to take the legs off. So I'll stick this right here. And I guess we can stick these like that. See if that works. And yes, it does fit in the bag. If it fits in the bag, you don't even have to take the legs off. So there we go. RCGeek landing pad. Nice little carry case, and you can take it around wherever you need to. Thanks for watching.